One way to maintain your refrigerator's efficiency is to clean its condenser coils. The tools you'll need for this project include a Phillips head screwdriver, a coil brush, a vacuum with brush attachment, and general cleaning supplies. Refrigerator coils can be under the front of a refrigerator, on the back of a refrigerator, and even behind a panel on the back. Consult your owner's manual to determine your appliance's coil location. For this video, the refrigerator's coils are behind a panel on the back of the unit. The first step is to pull the appliance away from the wall. Be careful to not scratch your floor. Now is a great time to clean the area under the fridge. Too much dust can cause less airflow to the coils, which can also reduce your unit's efficiency. Before working on your coils, you will need to unplug the refrigerator. With a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the panel on the back of the fridge. Using your vacuum's extension, gently clean the coil's surfaces. Next, use the coil brush to knock free any dust between the coils and anywhere the vacuum couldn't reach. Be careful and make sure that you don't bend any coils. Then vacuum the remaining dust. Before replacing the panel, clean off any dust. Reattach the panel with the screws. Now it's time to plug your fridge back in and slide it back into place. If you have an ice maker, be careful not to kink the water line. If you have any questions about this process, call SWF Home Inspections at 941-493-4334 or 239-330-9910.